In the heart of nature, where freedom knows no bounds, witness the beauty of horses in their untamed stride. A symphony of innocence unfolds, as a playful puppy discovers the joy of friendship with the most unexpected companions. Behold the marvel of nature's engineering, a cute gecko that dances through water, a true embodiment of resilience. Even our loyal companions showcase remarkable intelligence, as this dog masters the art of quenching its thirst with a twist. In the circle of life, where the predator becomes the protector, witness the fierce grace of a lion's pursuit.